Harnia Blanca. Welcome back to the bunker. Before we get started, it's important to remember to wear protective gear. Before we get started with our mystery vegetable, we're going to have a special announcement.
Hello, my name is Dr. Billy Francis from the Bunker Community Health Center with a public service announcement to please wash your hands before cooking. And remember, have fun in the bunker.
In any kitchen, the right device is very important, especially in the bunker. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna chop it up. Chop.
在东方
In the east,
有一股非常神秘的力量，
there is a very mysterious power.
它能一滴入魂，
It can drop into the soul,
让你感受到热辣的气息，
make you feel hot,
燃烧你的卡路里。
and burn your calories.
它能化腐朽为神奇，
It can turn decay into magic,
让任何难吃的饭菜都变得可以下咽。
so that any unpalatable food can be swallowed.
噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔，特效，此处有特效。
What's up inside here?
它就是老干妈。
This is Lao Garma,
The god of the
the god of the oh.
If you're like me, you've got a lot of things in your cupboard you've been neglecting. Tonight, we're going to be utilizing some rice. Remember, just because this cooked rice is 2 years past its expiration date, doesn't mean it's not going to taste good in the bunker. We're gonna get a mug treat out of the microwave. It's gonna be the most beautiful, loneliest dessert you've ever had in your life. It's gonna taste good. It's frosting. It's like a birthday party for yourself when you're all by yourself. Happy bunker day. Thank you for joining us on Recipes from the Bunker. Good night.